Walang tao ang aking live. Who is watching? Walang tao, guys. How are you, guys? Nasaan na kayo mga guys, ha? Bakit walang tao? Hindi na ba ako nakilala, naalala, guys? Paita. Paita aning live nga walay tao. Oy! Why? Why running, Sim? No. Hi, hello. Salamat sa pagsilip. Who's there? 1 million people in the house. Thank you. Sinong nandyan? Hello, 2 million people. Thank you so much. Uy guys, mag-comment down there kayo para makilala ko kung sino andyan. Thank you sa pagsilip mga lalab. Sino yan? Two heads. Thank you, 2 heads. Thank you sa patusok. Thank you so much. Comment down there kung sino nandyan, guys. And thank you very much. This is quick update only, guys. It's been a while. I think it's 1 year already na hindi ako nakapag-live. So, here. Ina-update ko lang. Isang cellphone lang ako meron. 4 million people in the house. Hello, thank you so much. Guys, just comment down there para mabalikan ko kayo, madaanan ko kayo after ng live ko. So, ayan pala yung daanan namin papuntang kanto. Ayun, makikita nyo yung mga sasakyan dumadaan dun sa unahan. Ay, naka-zoom talaga. Thank you so much, 3 million people in the house. Thank you. Hello, 4 million people. Thank you so much. Guys, just comment down there para ma-shoutout ko kayo, guys. Thank you anyway. Thank you so much for coming into my live this afternoon. Thank you so much. Sino nandyan? Comment down there. Basta, naisipan ko lang mag-live while may ginagawa ako dito. Naisipan ko lang mag-live, at least, kahit pa paano. It's already 5 minutes since I am live. So, update lang sa natin sa bahay natin, guys. Kasi it's been a while di ako nakapag-live. I think 1 year. Isang cellphone lang kasi ako meron, guys. Kaya yun. Nahihirapan akong mag-live. Saan ba? May nagko-comment ata, pero hindi ko lang nakikita. Wala naman. Welcome to guard your privacy. Ano to?